Welcome to this tutorial. I'm Christy from the Groove Sisters, Groove with Christy. Today we're actually going to be looking into ClickBank and selecting a product that we're going to affiliate with, bringing it over into the GrooveFunnels opt-in, creating an opt-in page, publishing that, and having an ad placed on Facebook where we're going to direct our traffic from. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do so underneath this, subscribe and like. Follow along for more tutorials on how to affiliate market and make money from home. So here we are. You have to create your own ClickBank account. So if you haven't done so already, do so over at clickbank.com. And once you've registered, you'll come to your homepage here. We're going into Affiliate Marketplace. Inside of the marketplace, we're actually going to find your niche. Inside of my marketplace, I've actually chose the keto diet as my niche today. And this is the custom keto diet that I'm going to be representing. So if you search your results and sort them by gravity, it's going to bring to the top the most sold products. And I'm choosing keto diet because my niche is in the fitness and wellness industry. So what I've done here is clicked on the affiliate link, and it's showing me a lot of product information that I'm able to use for this particular affiliate page. Now I have already logged in here, so I'll quickly duck over and show you what these guys are offering, which is really cool. So this is their home page of the sales page that you'll have your clients directed to once they click on your affiliate link. They also provide you with email swipes. So from inside your affiliate page, you're going to have a look at what they're providing for you to be able to market this product. Now, the interesting thing with this particular product is they do provide a video, some landing pages, your lead magnets, some banners, and also some social media images that you can use to actually promote this. So if we head back over to our Groove, so I've created this, and if you watch till the end of the video, I'm actually going to drop a link down below where you can clone this particular website and start your business in affiliate marketing today. So I'm going to change the wording around just a little bit to suit this promotion. And what they have given us is a keto diet plan, which is really cool. So if I can just bring that, that's the hot link. So we will need that as well. I've also copied over some images that I'm going to use for the ad. So I've saved this hot link, and I'm going to show you how we generate that very soon. So the keto plan have given us a recipe book that we can give away as our lead magnet. So I'm going to offer that as my capture. So just wanting to show you that to start with. Back over here, get your custom keto diet plan. Click below to access your free, deliciously easy keto recipes. Where should I send the recipes? So we want to have this opt-in page. We want to actually have it integrating over to our aweber. So anybody that does claim their free diet plan, we're going to generate their email list as well, or our email list. So getting access to this complete recipe book. Now, if you're unfamiliar with GrooveFunnels and you're wanting to sign up for an account, it is free and you can clone this exact website to your GrooveFunnels. I have a lot of trainings that I have available for GrooveFunnels and how to set this up. So if this is very new to you, stay tuned till the end of the video because we will have links down below where you can get your free Groove account. Now with your integrations, you just want to make sure that it's set. I'm heading over into the edit, which is a little pencil button here. If you go into configure, you can see that the form actions integration, integrating over to aweber. I've created a list over there called Christy Marie Legendary. And from there, they're going to click on a link. So the action that they will take once they've entered in their details, I'm going to send them to the sales funnel page, which is what I showed you here before. So this is where they will end up once they've put their email address in and clicked on the give me my free book, and they're going to go through the sales page. Now this is custom keto diet sales page. So once they've gotten to here, it's basically up to custom keto diet now to convert your traffic into customers, paying customers, where you will then make your commission sales. So all of this information has come from inside of here. Back over here now. So once they've been sent to the sales funnel, we need to have their keto plan diet sent to them. So by setting up your free aweber account, I will show you as well in other tutorials, the links will be down below. You can set up a free account with aweber and set up integrations so that you have a email list coming in from your GrooveFunnels account. Setting up a list now, I'm just going to change it from legendary because I want anybody that's coming in through the keto diet to be separated from all of my other lists that I do have. And I've linked them over to this particular GrooveFunnel site. If I go into publish, I can show you here. This is the web address now that people will click on to get to this particular opt-in page. So that's what I'm going to use as my website. And that's why I've copied it over there. I'm just going to name it the keto diet. The rest of the information, I'm using my Gmail account at this point. They do suggest that you have something linked to your website. Again, just having the keto diet written here. That's the name of my list. I'm just going to call it just so that I'm familiar with what it is for. So confirm your request information. This email is going to be sent to them once they've given us name and email address. This is what we're going to have sent to them. They will click to confirm that. And I'm going in to edit that so that the page that they land on after they've accepted that will be their recipe book. So now I'm active list is the keto diet. List options. Just going to go into my list settings now. My confirmation message, which I just ticked yes for, confirmation of your information. So they'll click to confirm their request. This will be sent to anyone that signs up from the forms, which is what we have set up in our GrooveFunnels, and a confirmation for subscribers. Now, the custom successful page URL, so this is what they're going to land on once they've accepted. The keto recipe booklet that they've given us, I've brought into my Google Drive, so I'm going to double click on that and create a shareable link. So if you're unfamiliar on how to do this, we're going into share. And it does say restrict, so we're going to change it to anybody that has the link can view, copy that link over, and that's what we're going to be posting here. So now our customers will click on that. They will get their free recipe book, which is what we are offering them as the lead magnet. So that's all saved successfully. My keto diet list is made. Now I'm going to head back over here to our Groove because the opt-in page now is going to be changed to that keto list. So configuring here, so it's still integrating over to aweber, but I've now just created a new list, which I'm going to change to keto diet. So anybody entering in their name and email will actually go through that process now that we've just set up. Update. And remembering that there is a bit of a delay time in the publishing of your website to when it's live. So site published in progress, usually goes live within a few minutes, may take longer. So we'll click on the link and just see what it looks like. If it's ready to go, we can do a test run. So it's automatically filled the details with my other email address that I've used. So let's click on that. So saying subscribed, and takes me straight over to the sales page. So we know that that's all linked, and in my aweber, I could probably now go into my dashboard, checking on my subscribers for the keto diet, and there I am as a subscriber. So if I went into my email account now, there will be an email in there to say confirm my subscription. Once I click on that, it should take me straight then into that ebook. Okay, so that's all up and running. Now I'm quickly going to go in and create an ad using that link. So create a Facebook post. I'm just going to use an image that they've shared for us. So that's showing me different drinks. Let's go with the tomato soup one. So save that onto my desktop just so that it's for easy access. So we bring that image in. Okay, now get your free custom keto So I'm just creating a post at the moment. Posts don't, you can have your link straight into your post. When we create it as an ad, I'll remove that and actually have it linked inside the image. So anybody can just come along and click the image and it'll take them straight over to that page. So let's post. I don't want to create an offer. I just want it as a post, and then I can share that into different groups, keto groups, anywhere that you think people might be interested in getting a free ebook with that recipe book included, and that will take them through that funnel process. Now, I do want to quickly go over to the hot link, which is where we've integrated over for that sales page to be active. So our form container, heading back over into our edit button. This link here is our hopper link, this one here. So we've copied this over. Now it's different here because I have done it a couple of times. So I've just kept this open so that I can show you in demonstration of what a hot link is and why we need them, why it's so important. So this is through our ClickBank, and this hot link is now dropped into this URL link, and I can show you from your ClickBank marketplace. So our custom keto diet, I've used the promote button, entered in my affiliate name, which you will set up when you start, and this is that hot link there. So that's how you get your hot link. What we do is copy that over and paste that into your URL, and that will then enable your customer to click on your link and take them into the sales page. So that's what your promote button is, what your hot link is. So just wanting to make sure that is understood. Now, anything that's inside of your marketplace, you're able to use these with promotion to this product. They want you to get the product out there. So that's what is the great bonus. So what I've done here is downloaded how to start a keto diet. I've put that into my files, but then what I did is uploaded it to my YouTube. So if you can see here, I've got how to start a keto diet. So that's live and public. I've had 3 views on that, and I'm just using their video, so I haven't had to do anything there. And inside of my description, I've copied over that particular link that is here in my publish. So this link here is live and active here, and I'll put a description. I just did this as a demonstration. So now anybody that searches for how to start a keto diet, this video comes up, they click, watch it, it's only 3 minutes and 51 seconds, and then they can see that my link is down below. So there's another way that you can get your links out there and put out to the public. So I hope this has helped you, and because you stayed here right till the end, thank you very much for watching. If you look down below, I'm going to have this link available, how to clone my website, and you will be able to clone this particular website over to your GrooveFunnels. So what we would need you to do is log in and sign up for a GrooveFunnels account. Again, the link will be below. Have a lovely day. Look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.